Hey guys, how we doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Monday weekly update on the DeFi altcoins and our little list of altcoins, our 27 mainly DeFi altcoins. So we will go straight over to the charts. This is a new one that I've obviously been buying along with many other people. This is Swipe, this is SXP, this is potentially Binance's crypto.com. But yeah, this is pumping. I'm looking to obviously wait to see how this daily 9 plays out and see if we can get up to around the $3. It sounds kind of insane saying that, but yeah, I'm looking for a good move. But what I have not done is sort of added it to our list because we've got all our previous data and back data and everything on here. So it's going to get a bit complicated if I start adding and changing things. So I put them down here though. Ocean is another one I bought. Engine's another one I bought. Decentraland's another one I bought. Sora XOR is another one I bought that's doing really well. And then this BZX protocol is another one. And actually I've not written Swipe on here. We'll write Swipe. And its ticker is SXP. So yeah, it's another one that we've got as well. And that's on Binance. We'll just put Binance here. We'll put Binance with a capital B. Come on, guys. Sort it out. There we go. So yeah, that's on Binance. So yeah, here's some other ones. So just other ones to be aware of that we are looking at and that, well, I'm buying, but I just don't want to mess about with our list. To be honest, there's some extra ones I'd want to take off the list and some other ones I'd want to add, but really we're just not going to mess about with it. So what's our running total doing? So this week, so if we look at our first week we're up in USD value 16%, BTC value 14%. Then our second week we were up another 12.6% USD value and well about 12.6% BTC value, which gave us a running total of about 30% in both BTC and USD because BTC is not really going anywhere, is it? And then this week we had a 10% change in USD and 11% in BTC. But obviously, remember, your capital is getting bigger, so that's an 11% gain on a larger amount. And some of the coins, as you may notice on here, the coins I'm more interested in are the ones at the top of the list. I said I sort of put them in an order that I prefer. And if we kind of look at the bottom of the list, tend to be where the coins that aren't necessarily performing as well are, and the ones at the top are. So that kind of just shows kind of how I was listing them. So yeah, the better coins are at the top of the list. As you can see, we've got the big percentages, and the bottom half we've got the low percentages and some of the minuses as well. So yeah, just something to look at there. But yeah, this is a quick video. There's not really much else for me to show you. We do look at some of these coins in our daily Binance one as well, which I may be expanding to a Binance and MXC one because a lot of these coins are on Binance and MXC. Not just Binance, so I'm sort of restricting myself for that challenge, and I don't want to be restricted. I want to get that 2 BTC from 1 BTC ASAP. No scams involved, just fully documented trades in real time. Well, I call them they are trades, but we're not basically, do you know what I mean, intraday trading short term. We're just basically buying, waiting for the pumps, moving into another coin, potentially over days or even weeks. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, so the running total from start in USD, so from basically what date? Oh, did I not put the date in here? Oh yeah, sorry, there's the date. There's the date today. It's the 20th. So our start date was the 6th. Today's the 20th. Wait a minute. Our start date. Why is it saying 20 for the 6th? It's the 7th, isn't it? So this should be this should say the 7th. 7th, 13th of the 7th. Yeah, and this is the 20th. So this should say the 7th also. 20th of 7th. I know you guys in America, you do it differently. You do it like the month first, don't you? And then the day, but we do the day and the month in England. And obviously, that is the right way. Because obviously the day is smaller than the month, and then the year is bigger than the month. So it starts smallest, medium, large. Day, month, year. I mean, why would you do month, day, year? Why guys? What is wrong with you guys? Just mess everything up. But anyway, so we have so this is basically our start date on the 6th. So this is now that was obviously our Oh no, wait, no, sorry, here we go, the 29th. So this was our original one, the 29th, and obviously we started doing the actual percentage changes as of the 6th, because that was the first week. So this is the first, second, and the third week. So 3 weeks in. 3 weeks in, guys. First, second, third week. We are up overall from the beginning in USD value 44%. So that is good, and 43% in BTC value. So we're doing all right, guys. We are doing all right. So if I started my my altcoin challenge, I mean, this is an altcoin challenge. This is, I want to get my list up to a 2x, but obviously we're not actually putting values or numbers or trading in and out. These are just like if you bought this portfolio of coins. But yeah, so looking good, looking not far off, halfway to the 2x. But yeah, so I'm really pleased with that list. I hope you guys got in some of those coins. I know some of you guys in the group did get in some of those coins. I hope you're seeing some good gains. And yeah, hopefully got plenty more gains to come. If Bitcoin breaks to the upside, then yeah, I mean, if Bitcoin breaks to the upside, what will happen is our BTC value won't obviously accelerate as much, because this is with the coins going up with BTC not doing as much, but obviously our USD value will fly up. Touch wood. But yeah, so fingers crossed. And then when BTC flies up, our BTC value may go down a little bit or a lot of bit, however it works. But then as BTC finds somewhere to consolidate, then that's when obviously we know the altcoin action starts to occur, and the magic begins. So there we go, guys. There's our update. 43% BTC value, 44% USD value from the beginning in 3 weeks. So thanks for listening, guys, and yeah, look out for my Binance update later today.